Today I'm finally filming a video that I've been putting off for so long, but I feel like the time is now right. So today I'm gonna try to follow a Bob Ross tutorial, an actual painting. So I've done the VR version on my gaming channel, but haven't done actual painting. So growing up, I actually used to watch Bob Ross when he was on PBS. And honestly, I think it's safe to say that Bob Ross is what got me into painting. I'm having life realizations right now. I love you, Bob. So I got my canvas here. This is not the size that Bob has, but this is the only size that I have. We're gonna make it work. I've had this canvas forever and I just need to paint on it. Yeah. All right, so I chose a painting from season 24, episode 12, and I chose this one specifically for today because it has a lot of happy trees. And if you didn't know, there is a fundraiser going on right now that I wanted to take a part of. It is Team Trees. I'll put some more info in the description for you guys, but pretty much Mr. Beast reached 20 million subscribers and his subscribers had the idea of planting 20 million trees. So it started off as a meme, Mr. Beast ran with it and hooked up with some guys who are going to now plant one tree for $1 raised. So they are trying to reach their goal. At the time of this video, I think they're about a quarter of the way through. Let me get an exact number. 5.7 million trees planted already. So I'm gonna paint trees today in memory of Bob's happy little trees and for the planet, because I'm seriously scared for its future at the rate we're going. Just got real dark right there. You know, just gotta get real. So luckily for me, I have all of my oil paints from art school. Putting them to use, Mom and Dad. Still to this day. Freaking excited. Let's start this painting and paint for the trees.
Glad you could join us today. It's a fantastic
Bob.
day, and I hope it is wherever you're at.
It's a fantastic day
Let's
today.
start out today and have run all the colors across the screen.
Oh my gosh, I haven't used these paints in so long. I'm gonna need pliers. Ah, got it. Oh my gosh, my brushes are so hard. I haven't used these since college. It doesn't even. Okay, we just gotta loosen it up, you know? It's like it's joints. Gotta loosen up the old joints. Now, I've never tried this technique before, and I've always wanted to try it with the thin layer of white. There's nothing like the sound of a brush hitting a canvas. Oh, I just got paint on my laptop. Oh no. That's how you can tell you're a true artist, right? Okay, got the whole thing covered.
So it's all wet and slick and ready to go, so shoot, let's just do a little painting. It's a lot of fun.
Yes!
This little tiny brush, a little too.
I don't have any brushes like that. I don't have my palette prepared. Hold that thought, Bob. I am not equipped with the correct brushes.
Very lightly.
Okay.
Just gonna make some little crisscross strokes.
Crisscross strokes. Oh my gosh, I've never painted like this before, ever. I put too much yellow.
Touching the yellow ochre.
Oh, he put yellow ochre. Okay, good. Well, okay. Hold your horses, Bob. You're just moving so quickly here. This is an arm workout. I'm gonna get some more of my white here so I can lighten this up because I messed up already. I found a larger brush. Okay. Oh, that's better for blending. Yes. Yes, hunty. What you got, Bob? Is that red?
Very, very small amount. Just a little
Alizarian crimson?
pink in the sky. I don't want to set the sky on fire.
All right.
Very quickly.
I grabbed just a little bit of Alizarian crimson. Oh, you put more. Okay.
There. Something like
Just a little bit. All across the canvas.
I will wash this brush. What the heck? I just really like to wash brushes. Keeps my crew here on their toes.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Well, I can't do that in my office though because I'm gonna get paint everywhere. Pink in the sky? All right. Let's beat the devil out of it. Does this still count if I do it in here? I'm gonna break this glass. What's next?
Good clean dry brush. I'm gonna go right
Dry?
into a little bit of the midnight black.
Midnight black? I don't have my colors prepared. I am not prepared. I only have ivory black. These are necessary for old paints especially. Midnight black. Are these clouds? I think think these are supposed to be the clouds. How did you do that? Oh, I like that. A little more color on the brush. I have the wrong brush for this, but holy crap, that's too dark. Oops, it's okay. Happy little accidents. If I've learned anything from you, Bob, there's no such things as mistakes. Just happy little accidents. Oh, Bob. Bob, you're the freaking best, man. I don't have another dry brush. How about this one? Ooh, that's really nice. That actually really works. This brush, okay. Phthalo blue. That's a lot of black. Oh my gosh, I need your pep talks. Thanks, Bob. What's he doing? What are you doing? What is that? Why does mine look so streaky? Whoa, oh, I'm scared for this. Oh, too much paint. This is too black. Ah! Bob, help. This is looking somewhat decent. Okay, I need to pause this. It looks more like the blue. Okay, that looks a little better to me. So this is the beginning of our little forest of all the trees that we're gonna be helping plant. I wanna make these taller. Oh, it's starting to come together. I'm running out of brushes. Okay. Clean, dry brush. All right, here's my little bush. Yes, I love fun. That was intense. A bridge. Van Dyke brown. My gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm so nervous. Where did you? Okay, wait. I'm panicking. All right, a little support. I need some support. Dark sienna, white, and a little bit of red. Hey, I got a similar color. This is not, let me grab some white. Oh, that's looking better. Okay, just doing my highlights. This is a hard one. Oh, that is terrifying. Slow down. I feel like I'm just saying slow down this whole time. This is not, I hate painting with these knives. I don't like it.
I wish the bridge was really that easy to build. Let's reflect that right in the water. Grab it, pull down.
Seriously?
2-inch brush.
Oh my gosh. Did that work? Let's pull it down and just go across. All right. Oh, that makes it look a little bit nicer. Ah, I like this technique for water. Black, blue, phthalo green, crimson. Big decisions. A bank, what the heck is that? I don't know what I'm doing. I'm ruining it. I am trusting you, Bob. Okay. I don't know. Okay. I'm letting it go. I'm trying. I don't know how I feel about that. I only got one fan brush and it's kind of beat up. I'm so nervous about this. Okay, right here. I feel like my brush sucks. Oh my gosh, Bob. This is not looking as good as Bob's, but how is he making it look like that? I feel like this brush, I'm blaming it on the brush. I need to pause while I paint these trees. He is just moving so fast. And I'm over here struggling with the dang trees. I thought these would be the easiest part to do. What are you doing there?
I'm going to take a little bit of the same color.
A little land? Okay.
And get some dark color.
Oh, I gotta go to the end of this painting here. Since this is so long, I gotta put more trees. I need more trees. All the trees. We need all the trees to save the planet. In my world, a tree lives closer. Right here. Okay, now I need to fill all these in. Trees. That does not look like what he just did, but okay. Ooh, it's so pretty. I like the green. Yes, it came out of nowhere. It's starting to just look like a blob though, for me at least. Oh, what is that? Grassy area? What are we doing? I don't know how I feel about this. All right, what if, I'll bring it back further. Now I'm adding in this little dirt area. Cool, cool, I like it. Little white, get on there, there we go. Okay, fan brush, bushes. Hold on, rewind. How did he do that? Let's replay. Let me do my little path. It helps when you make the sound effects. Oh God, okay. White. Choom. Choom. All right, time for some highlights. Oh, furthest away and work forward. Oh my gosh, I love these bushes. Okay, these bushes are not. I think it's my brush. Let's try this brush instead so I could get a more defined bush. Ooh, we love a defined bush. Okay, and then I have some bushes right here. No. Mm-mm. Oh, geez. All right, I'm gonna get a smaller brush. Here's my bravery test. One tree. And the second one, he needs a little brother. What a cutie. And then we're gonna put highlight on it. Yes. Ooh, fun. Oh, shoot, this is hard. Okay. It needs to be thinner. Ah. Let's try this again. All right, feel a little bit better about that. Oh my goodness, this is so nerve-wracking. Woo, I'm doing it. Oh, I like those trees. Yay! Scraping in little twigs and stuff, but that's not really working. Why does my water look terrible? Okay, I'm just doing a few little touch-ups that I feel like are necessary. We have finished. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. I wonder what Bob would say. Hi, how you doing today? Bob? No, not Bob. Babe Ross. Just wanted to let you know that your painting came out beautiful. I love all of the happy trees. And I wanted to remind all of you at home watching, thank you for joining us. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Remember, $1 donated can plant one happy little tree. And, you know, together we can do magnificent things and plant 20 million happy little trees. I actually brought a little friend in today that I would like to share with you. Little creatures mean so much to me. This here is a baby Chewbacca, but little creatures like this will benefit from planting trees and helping save the planet. If not do it for the trees, do it for the creatures. All right. Thanks for watching. Say bye, little Chewbacca. All right. Catch you later. You hear that? Plant those happy little trees, even if it's just one. Everything counts. And let's really work to make this world a better place for Bob and the trees. And us, of course, because we would die. How do you guys think I did? I think I did okay. I honestly feel like it was my brushes. We're gonna blame it on the brushes. If you guys enjoyed this, please be sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe and turn on notifications, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!
Whoa! Whoa! What the heck? Oh my goodness. That's amazing.
Are you sure?
There is...
You're gonna put it up in the house?
Shoot, I'm down.
No.
Yeah. You're like, oh man, where'd you guys get that painting? My talented wife painted that thing.
I followed a Bob Ross tutorial.
Yeah.